Hello everyone. So I'm from official big data channel. So let us start with what is big data. So today in this video we will be seeing what is the big data, what is the basic meaning of the big data, and what are the different things associated with the big data. So as the name indicates, big data means large amount of data. It's pretty easy to understand, and big data means large amount of data. Nowadays everything, whatever the creation we are doing, whatever the social sites we are using, they are gathering a pretty much amount of data which is being stored by using the databases. So to manage this data itself is a big task. Storing the data itself is a big task. So analysis, extraction, storing, and compression, all these things are related to big data. So big data deals with the extraction, cleaning, analysis,